Thanks for joining us on DezignWorks TV. Today we want to show you the power of DezignWorks with the Faro Max scanner. This scanner is awesome. It can scan multicolors, shiny, whatever you throw at it. So let's take a look at scanning a full-size Fender. So DezignWorks is very easy to use. We simply hit the scan button. Since this is larger, we're going to go ahead and increase our triangle size. And what really separates us from others is this is going to be actually scanning and making a mesh live, not a bunch of pretty dots and periods you have to put together later. So let's get started. You're going to simply tap the green button, and you're going to see on the screen scanning the Fender live. No need for targets, all those other things that other people have. You don't have to worry about not overlapping. So you can see how fast this is. And again, it's a full-size Fender. It doesn't matter if you go forwards, backwards, on top of it. The DezignWorks software filters the data. When you go back and forth over top, it knows what's better than what's been there, and it simply just overwrites it. Notice on the right side of the screen, it's telling you the amount of triangles putting on the part. It's very fast and efficient. You can even stop for a second and look at it. So again, over here on the right side, this is the amount of triangles you see. 544,000, that fast. We'll touch this bottom up a little bit. It doesn't matter where you start and stop. We'll go over here and start. Now we are limited on this because this is a smaller Faro Max arm, so we're going to be doing about half the Fender. But we're almost done. Imagine trying to do this with the old-fashioned way, tape measure and all those kind of things. Or even a handheld, putting all the targets on it. You'd still be putting targets on it. So we'll come back over here and we'll get this little section that we missed. We're pretty close to it. That's why it's a little harder there. So let's go over here and get this undercarriage a little bit. Notice the speed this thing collects data. We'll go up here and just finish off the top. So when we use our mesh features tool, we'll just paint on and tell it what we want. So you can see that's how fast you can do this part. Let's go into mesh features. And if you want it more clear, DezignWorks can change the triangle size live. Let's go over here. We'll go to our mesh features tools. And we'll just paint on this. Obviously here, this is where we couldn't reach it anymore because we have a smaller arm. You can either paint or just say Control A. Doesn't really matter. So there I've got my scan. Now I've got where I want to make a surface. Yes, one surface, not 50,000 patches. We're going to say surface. So DezignWorks utilizes GPU and processes this data very, very fast. Again, this part was like 23 by 37 by 6. But you see how fast and efficient is the Faro Max is. So it's just about done processing, and it's going to build a surface. We can leave our accuracy analyzer on and test it here first. You can see it's holding tenths. So let's build the surface and check it out in SolidWorks. So now we have a surface there. You can say show hide mesh. There's our surface. That's one surface in the tree. Let's see how accurate it is. Let's do our feature to mesh validation, and we'll check it out. DezignWorks allows you to actually do validation real time with a color map and balloons. And then we'll go ahead and build the report. So here's our data. We can simply take the mouse and tap. Tenths. And this is all live. This is what you see most people don't want to do. They want to load a mesh that they scanned and cleaned up, worked on it for 20 minutes. This is all real time. We can save out the view of this to our report. You have unlimited views. You can also change decimal places, what the deviation is on the color map. And now we'll create a report. So now the deviation showing you the mean is a tenth. Standard deviation is 1/10, all live. You can actually see the image sheets we built, all included. Your complete tool for speed and design. FARO Max with DezignWorks. Thanks for joining us and have a great day.